Good morning, Abby. It's Tuesday. I didn't feel like being in front of the camera today, so I thought I'd film everything else I could think of and just talk in the background. Just think of it as like an indie film. So about your yellow and gray day, in which you felt the universe belonged to you and was made for you, it kind of was. I mean, we have the coolest, most giving creator, and it's cool to think of how everything was designed just right so that the earth could support life and everything. Also, when I look at things like sunsets and flowers and the color of the sky and kitties who meow all the time, even during videos, I don't know, just there are some things out there that were designed for no other purpose except for being beautiful, and I just think that's really cool. It makes me feel like the world really was made for me. Also, I read something recently. It was a quote by John Green, one of my favorite authors ever. Someone was interviewing him and they asked about his faith and his views on spirituality. He doesn't really talk openly about it, but his life does. But anyway, John Green talked about how he had spent some time away from faith and how he had also spent some time seriously thinking about becoming a minister. And he talked about his moments of doubt and his time spent as a chaplain in a children's hospital. And then he said something memorable to me, and that was, "I'm not embarrassed of my faith, and I'm also not embarrassed of my doubt." And I think that's a really simple but profound statement. As humans, we're whole people. We make mistakes as well as doing good things. We have our failures as well as victories. And we have faith as well as doubt. Nobody is completely one or the other, and if they are, then they're the anomaly, not the ones who harbor both faith and doubt. My punishment. So for those of you who weren't on the phone with me and Abby the other day, I can tell you that Abby has decided that my punishment is going to be to walk into a bookstore and yell, "This is not a library!" or tell it to at least 5 salespeople and 10 customers. Abby, you can't see it, but I'm totally sticking my tongue out at you right now. The punishment will be coming soon. Abby, I'll see you tomorrow.